Welcome back. This video I'm going to be going over ToaruOS. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I have heard of this and I have used it like maybe once or twice. But regardless, this website's freaking incredible and the license is interesting. I'm pretty sure there's a reason behind it, but yeah, this is, and it has a little closed thing. Damn, okay, looks pretty cool. Anyways, let's check out ToaruOS. I'm not gonna bother to actually compile it and stuff, but I will try to, run it and stuff. So there's some background information. Last 11 years of their life, they've been making this, and this is a long time coming. This is 2.0, and this was almost 4 years ago. Oh my god, I am stupid. I clicked on his website instead. Okay, false alarm. Let's download this instead. But this is pretty old too. 2023. This is 2.20. Okay. Let's move it here and let's boot this one up. Okay, let's see if I can, is there a way I can change the... Okay. Alright, we'll just do with this. That little thing is really cool. I'm stupid, dude. Oh my god. It was in 1920 1080 already. Okay. Let's open the terminal. Okay, that animation is really nice. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay. Let's do a help command and see what we have. This shell is not POSIX compliant. Please be careful. Okay, let's do lsbin. Okay, we have a lot of stuff here. So from what I know, there is something called Kuroko, I think, which is like a Python dialect on here. There we go. Bytecode compiled duck type with familiar indentation driven block syntax. You know what? Give me one moment. Let me look into what Kuroko even is. Dialect of Python with explicit variable declaration and block scoping. So it is a Python dialect basically. So let's do does it have typing on here? No, I guess not. Undefined variable A. Okay, I have no idea how to use this. Is there I'll try the interactive tutorial. Yeah, I get that, but what if I declare a damn variable? Oh, let, okay. Okay, it does have... Hold on, this is actually really nice. What the heck? Wow, okay, that's impressive. Let's check out the README. This is BIM. Okay. MSK? Oh, it has a package manager? I'm like shocked. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay. Yo, this might be the first OS we can actually develop something on. Okay, hold on. OKDR code, CD code, touch. I don't know. Let's do. Is there any C compiler on here? Okay, there's just not. Okay, sudo msk install build. Yo, it has password. Okay, it's password is the same thing. Download GCC. Does that have a web browser on here? Check out the web. There's a web browser here. That was a GUI package manager. Moo PDF, okay. Bruh. What? 11 years to make this, bro. This is. What version of GCC is this? 10.3. It's relatively recent. Okay. Let's check out bim main.c. So insert. Okay. Okay. GCC main.c. Bruh. Okay, replacing works. Sorry, I was like so astonished that I made two stupid mistakes. Okay. Oh my god. This might be the best OS we've looked at so far. I can actually code on here. Well, with Serenity, it was just taking a while, and I think I should have been a little bit more fair with Serenity OS. But this is stupidly intuitive. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I don't know what the Kuroko file thing extension is. This is like KR. There's a test thing here. Let's see. It's KRK. Okay. Let's do touch main.krk bim main.krk. Sorry, bim. It's got tab completion too. Let a equals 10 print. Does that support for F strings? A let's do Kuroko. Whoops. Wow. Dude, they're telling me this guy wrote his entire kernel. He wrote an entire desktop environment. He wrote his entire terminal. He wrote the shell. He wrote a freaking Python dialect. Bro, seriously? Oh my god, this is stupidly impressive. I wish there was a browser on here. That's my only thing. And yeah, there's Doom on here too. I'm just not gonna download it. Wow. Okay. There's a file browser on here. Alright, this looks pretty. This is... What is this supposed to do? My window. Oh my god, these are Python, like, it's a Python, what is it, thing for his entire window manager thing. So I said thing like 4 times. Okay, that's really cool. Desktop. Oh, these are like launchers. The file names are a bit ugly, but whatever. This is like, hold on. That's insane. That's his interpreted language connecting to his own window manager, the entire desktop environment, and then drawing this on here. And then it updates the, oh my god. Oh my god. Weather tool? Thank you. That's really impressive, but it's kind of creepy. It's getting my location. Whatever. Okay. What else can we do? Sorry, I was like groaning. There's demo. Okay. Let's know what that was supposed to do. Plasma. I thought this dude ported freaking KDE on here. I wouldn't be too surprised. Oh, this is the first thing that there's a live CD. You can make changes to the file. Oh my god! I wasn't expecting it to do. Okay, the reason why I'm so fascinated because of that, like, I know it seems like, oh, like whatever. This is a hobbyist OS, like KCMD line. Okay, this is the command line. This is a hobbyist OS. Like, this is stupidly impressive. There's an init thing. I don't know if that like screwed up something, but I imagine not. Okay, we do get a response from Google. Is there curl on here? There is not. Oh, wait, hold on. You can just install it from the package manager. What? Oh my god. Dude, this is so intuitive. Okay, I don't know if I should be this impressed. This is freaking amazing. Is there like a port for a browser in here? I think personally this thing is fully capable. SDL? Yo, this has to have a freaking web browser somewhere. Hold on, give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So from what I know, it is kind of hidden. It's basically the help document viewer. So I think it's help browser. So it does have this is like an HTML renderer basically. Though I do wish that there was a port of like Firefox or something. I don't know. This was really long time ago. Yo, I can help make a port of Firefox. So it's basically set up for probably the next thing being a browser on this operating system. That's incredible. My only few complaints is that the UI like up here seems very out of place from here. Other than that, this thing is freaking flawless. This is awesome. It has a very simple package manager, and there's a wallpaper pack. Let's check this out. Select wallpaper. It has an animation when you switch the wallpaper. Oh my god. I don't know what city this is, but this is really pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This is awesome. Yeah. This is a kernel module. Edit in BIM. Wow, okay, so these are all the kernel modules for like the audio, the ext2 file system. So that's pretty cool. And it's all open source too. So it's a nice little calendar here too. And then network status. Okay, let me take a look around and see. Maybe I missed something. Let's show dialog. It's an demonstration of a dialog box. You can okay or cancel it, but oh, there are no hello. Oh, it's just a test application. Oh wow, there's top on here. Well, there's barely any memory being used. Didn't I load this thing with SMP? Maybe it caps its... Oh, I'm freaking blind. That says... I thought that said 819, not 8192. Sorry. Wow, this is really cool. Okay. Anyways, that's it for this video. This operating system was amazing. I'm so impressed. I cannot wait till this thing gets a browser. I'm definitely gonna check it out when it gets a browser, like a port of like, I don't know, like LibreWolf or Firefox or something. Maybe if I get like really excited, I might just do it myself. I probably won't, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, anyways, this is probably the best one. Definitely check this out so far. Best operating system we've checked out. And seriously, it's so smooth, even tiny little animations, the detail, which, you know, when you're writing a hobbyist operating system, you focus on the main parts, right? You got to make something that's functional. There's so many moving parts. But the fact that the guy got all the moving parts, he got a scheduler, he got a whole like compositor, everything. And then he also focuses on like animations and stuff is incredible. And the fact that this guy got his own, I think it's his own bootloader too, but he has his own like interpreted language. He has his own what is it? The editor, his shell. Most of the core utils are probably written by him too. Yeah, this is impressive. And the freaking package manager, dude, that thing was so fast and simple to install. Oh my god. There's probably other factors, I know, but regardless, it's impressive. So anyways, I would highly recommend this operating system. This is amazing. Definitely check it out if you have time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what operating system I should check out next. And don't suggest Haiku because, again, I think I talked about it in my previous video on Redux. I tried getting Haiku to work, but it just wouldn't. The network would not work. But I will definitely try it if it works. But yeah. Anyways, again, thank you guys for watching.